Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with a new video after a long time, and I think this is the first time that I'm doing a video about unboxing. So I had ordered a few products from Sugar, and I think Ring It On Click. It had many products included and a few lipstick. I think two lipsticks were free with the kit, and the total price was 1300, including taxes and the charges for delivery. I thought it was quite good for the price, so I had ordered it and I received it I think after 5 or 6 days. I think that is pretty much good considering the current situation of coronavirus. So let's open the box. Also, this kit was non-refundable and non-returnable, so I won't be able to return this because it was some offer. Let's see how it turns out to be. And also please note, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought this product on my own. Okay, I think this is nice. It is not actually the color that I had thought it would be, but I think it is nice. Good quality. I will also try on the products at the end of the video, so keep watching. The first product that I have is Charcoal Petrol Bubble Mask. The second product is Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara, shade 1 Black Beauty. This looks cute. The next one, I think this is a KAJAL. We'll try it on. The next one is this cute lipstick in the shade 2 Breaking Bear. Now there are two mini lipsticks. One shade 25 Very Mulberry. This one, and another is 10 Drop Dead Red. Now the last one is Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in the shade 1 Gold Dipping. I think this is a highlighter. And of course this bag. I like this bag. Illuminating moisturizer. Wow. This is a really pretty golden color. And it matches my skin tone actually. It is blending my next go-to highlighter. You see the difference? I have already applied silver highlighter, and here you can see the difference with the golden one. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I do. Quality is good. It is very creamy, and I think this is okay. If you have a lighter skin tone than me, then I think this would be good for you. For duskier skin tones like me, this kind of washes out my face. It's not that bad. I think so I can use it. I love it. I totally recommend this one, especially for people like my skin tone. I can't wait to try. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram.